सब्सक्राइब कीजिए विकी क्रिकेट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं। क्रिकेट से जुड़ी हर जानकारी सबसे पहले पाएं। नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप देखना शुरू कर चुके हैं विकी क्रिकेट।
A tough result for you. However, talk us through this game, and after losing the first 3 wickets, what was the strategy? What was the plan?
You see, definitely when you enter the finals, it's really important you get off to a good start, and that's what we lacked in this game. And obviously there was pressure of getting good total in the power play, and we had already lost 3 wickets, so it was important that we scored runs and also saved wickets at the same time. And I think we reached to a very decent total in the power play, which was 41 for 3, and then after that we capitalized from there onwards and got to a decent total until 15th over, I guess, and then after that everything came down.
You spoke about the middle overs. You and Rishabh played a very attacking game even after losing those 3 early wickets. What was the chat between you and Rishabh in the middle?
Well, we was just backing our abilities. We knew that, if our targeted bowler comes in, we have to go after him, and also at the same time we needed to rotate the strike as well. So it was really important that we, get 8 to 10 runs in an over, which really got us to a good total after 15th over.
In hindsight, Shreyas, do you think chasing would have been a better option considering the dew factor on this ground?
Well, I feel in such big matches you also back your strength, and I felt that in the last game when we batted first, we really put on a great total on the board, and then after that, our bowlers, they have been strength overall in the season. So, it's just the fatigue that crept in, and maybe, bowlers, they just lost it in the power play. And I'm personally not, having any regrets in terms of my decision after winning the toss. I thought that it was a very good decision of batting first because there's not much pressure to put on good score on the board.
Shreyas, the bowlers, KG did extremely well. You had Ravichandran Ashwin doing really well. A word on your entire bowling lineup and how was their entire tournament?
Well, they've been outstanding throughout. As you see, KG getting the purple cap, setting a great example for all the bowlers in the team. He's been putting in gas throughout. So yeah, a lot of positives to take from this series, and also Ashwin. He's got a great mind and he knows the strategies pretty well. So he comes and he executes the way exactly the team wants him to. And I'm really happy with the overall performance so far in this league. Definitely a lot to take away, and come back strong in the next season.
Shreyas, lastly, you spoke about the next season, which is probably coming pretty soon, in about 4 months.
Yeah.
What were the takeaways from this tournament, and what would the team want to be working on before the next season starts?
Well, as you see, we've been lacking in the starts, especially in majority of the games. If you must have seen, we've lost pretty early wickets in majority of the games. So that's what we need to work on going forward. And other than that, we need to strategize our bowling plans as well, because we've leaked a lot of runs in the power play, especially in the second half of the season. It wasn't the best of bowling that we did, but I'm really happy with what we have achieved so far in the season, and obviously majority of the things are going to be same the next season when we approach. And yes, I'm really happy with all the efforts that our coaches, support staff and everyone they have put in.
दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो मुझे सपोर्ट करने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, वीडियो को लाइक करिए और अपने क्रिकेट प्रेमी दोस्तों को इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए। धन्यवाद।